NLC rejects Julius Abure as Labour Party chairman despite court order. The Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) has once again rejected Julius Abure's leadership of the Labour Party (LP), maintaining that the Abuja Federal High Court's ruling in his favour would not alter their stance. Recall that on October 8, 2024, Justice Emeka Nwite validated the Labour Party's national convention held in Nnewi in March 2024. The court declared the convention lawful and ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to recognize the leadership of Abure and the National Working Committee (NWC) elected during the event. However, in a statement issued on Thursday, Theophilus Ndubuakwu, acting chairman of the NLC Political Commission, criticized Abure's leadership, accusing him of undermining the party's stability ahead of upcoming elections. Ndubuakwu described the court's ruling as a gross miscarriage of justice, pointing out that the NLC and the Trade Union Congress (TUC), both constitutionally recognized in the party structure, were not part of the legal proceedings. He further accused Abure of working for external interests aimed at sabotaging the party ahead of the 2027 general elections. Ndubuakwu expressed disappointment over the court's support for Nnewi Convention, which he claims was conducted in violation of party rules and previous court orders. He added that, in line with the agreement, stakeholders had appointed Senator Esther Neinadi Usman to lead an interim caretaker committee, and the NLC Political Commission supports the Labour Party Interim National Caretaker Committee's plan to appeal the recent court rulings. What will be the ultimate decision? Will Julius Abure gain the approval of Labour Party members as their leader, or will the stakeholders appoint a leader to serve as the party's national caretaker? Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. We'll keep you updated as more stories emerge.